ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ 4th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kubera granted the boon to Dhruva and then disappeared from there. Then Dhruva went back to his kingdom. Adha ayajata yajnesham kratubhihi bhuri dakshinaihi. Dhruva started performing so many yajnas in the service of Sriman Narayana, and through yajnas he started worshipping Sriman Narayana. And also Dhruva kept giving so many abundant dakshinas to all the ritviks who performs yajnas. Through them Dhruva started pleasing, satisfying Paramatma. Like that Dhruva did so many yajnas, and Dhruva realized that Paramatma is everything, and Paramatma is in every entity, and Paramatma would never fail to take care of his devotees. Dhruva realized because Paramatma never gets failed in taking care of devotees, he is named after Achyuta. With all this unshakable faith, Dhruva started worshipping, continuing worshipping Sriman Narayana. And with all these great divine qualities, and with so much of care among all his people, and with so much of respect towards all the great devotees, Dhruva, while taking care of righteousness, he ruled his kingdom very well. And all the people used to feel that Dhruva is their father. To that extent, Dhruva took care of all the people. And like that, Shat Trimsat Varsha Sahasram Sesasa Kshiti Mandalam. Dhruva ruled his kingdom for 36,000 years. Then, while enjoying all the pleasures, he made sure all his good deed, that means merit, punyam, is vanished. And while doing tapasya, through that he made sure all of his papam is vanished. He realized only when there is punyam and papam nullified, only then one will be deserved to attain Paramatma's abode. That is why Dhruva washed off all his merits and demerits, punyam and papam. evam bahusavam kalam. Like that, Dhruva ruled his kingdom for a long time, and then he gave his kingdom to his son. Like that, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.